The great salad schism tore the garden in two. On the crimson plains of the berry patch, the strawberry queen raised her scepter. Archers, 1,000-seated projectiles darkened the sky. Lord Carrot of the Orange March raised his leafy shield. Hold fast! The earthy phalanx stood firm. The strawberry cavalry charged, met by carrot knights on swift radishes. It was a battle of textures, a war of flavors. The queen herself dueled the carrot lord, their weapons shattering in a final clash. From the vibrant wreckage, a single, perfect slice of orange and red lay between them. A truce was whispered, then tasted, and thus the eternal treaty of the fruit and vegetable platter was born.